Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel your Hulu subscription. So go to hulu.com and I'll link this website right at the top of the video description. And once you're on this page, in the upper right-hand corner, click on the little menu option and then go over and click on Log In. And then, of course, enter in your email and password and then click Log In. And then once you're on this page, in the upper right-hand corner, hover over your account name and then go down and click on where it says Account. And then once you're on the Manage Your Account page, scroll down to the bottom. And then right at the bottom of this Manage Account page, you should find where it says Cancel Your Subscription, and then just go ahead and click Cancel. And then it will give you the option if you want to pause your subscription, but if you don't want to do that, click the Continue to Cancel button. And then it's going to ask you why you're wanting to cancel your Hulu subscription. So we'll just put temporary, I'll be back, and then go ahead and click continue to cancel. And then they might offer you some kind of promotion to get you to continue with your Hulu subscription. So if you want, you can take the offer, but if not, you can go ahead and click cancel subscription. And then that should officially cancel your Hulu subscription after you go through this process. I hope this video was helpful. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Hope to see you guys back here for future videos.